Hello, my serverless shills. I want to talk to you today about PocketBase. I've been using this in a production app, small production app, for the last couple weeks. I'm currently running on a $4 DigitalOcean droplet, and the app is doing like just over $1,000 in monthly tracked revenue. So very cash flow positive on this particular backend for me. And I just want to show you really quickly how to get started so you can start playing around with it. And then we're going to be doing a bunch more videos. So any questions you have, put them in the comments below, and also tag me on Twitter, Luke_Paghetti. So just to get started, we're going to go jump into the documentation. We're going to find this download link, and I went ahead and put it in here. So we're going to do wget. Okay, we're going to see what that brought down. It brought down that zip file. Now we're going to go ahead and unzip that. Okay, what did that give us? See that PocketBase binary there? All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to run PocketBase serve. PocketBase is going to spin up. It's going to give us a REST API endpoint, which you'll see is nothing because there's nothing in there right now. But then if you click here, you can see this brings us to our admin panel. I'm just going to go ahead and create a username and password. We're going to do create and login. And boom, you've got a PocketBase instance that is ready to be developed on. And later on, when we go into actually deploying this, you'll see that the actual deployment steps are only like 2 more steps other than what we've already done to have this deployed with SSL HTTPS on a DigitalOcean droplet that you can actually do a load test on with something like Hey, and it can handle the load and not crash and not break the server and all that stuff. And if you do decide to restart the server in DigitalOcean, then it comes up automatically, so it's fault tolerant. All those things are only like 1 or 2 more steps. So we'll do that at a later date. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to talk more about just living with PocketBase, managing it in VS Code, so that it's a lot easier to deal with. And I think that you're going to find that it's really, really, really simple. So this is just a real quick teaser for what is to come on this channel. And if you have anything you want to know about this, go ahead and post in the comments below and we will tackle it.